guys, welcome to my video. So today we're playing build a boat for a treasure, but I'm in the black team. I wanted to be the white team, but it's okay. Oh my Snoopy amps, what the hell? I just say, if you wanted to be in my fan board, just say your Roblox username so you can get in my fan board. So here you go is my fan board. Come on. This is my fan board. And yeah. It's my first time. It's my first time, you guys. In my first video, doing my first video. So that's why I don't have like a fan. So I hope you got a great day. Anyways, if you wanna be in my fan board, just say your username in the comment below. And today we're going right now. Make sure to like and subscribe before I started. Let's go right now. Let's build. Okay. Let me build a simple boat. Like a really simple boat. Like a cross. Like that. I need to find a chair. Where even is the chair? Where's the chair, dude? It's not the chair. It's really hard to find. Oh, here is the. I don't know what is this, but yeah, I could keep this. I like a cattles and what was that? Where is that? Oh, come on. Here we goes the chair. Oops, do not put that in there. You put that in. Yeah. So let's go. Yes, sir. I'm gonna just get the camera like that because yeah, I like it. I like it, Gucci. Go, 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 go. Let's go, my bro. Oops, I just needed to become a white team. So I need to record it and I'll see you guys. So already there is a player in the white team and they don't wanna invite me, and I was so stressed about that, so I had to join another server to get a white shirt. But I don't care if I'm not in the white. Whoopee. That is I'm Philippines, by the way. What? Okay. Come on. I'm a little lag. My screen. I cannot really Fakida. Do you know Fakida? It's Spanish. But, you know. Why you cannot not do it? Just build the... I'm just get my... This one. Oh, no. I need to... I need to do it. What? Oh, that is the glitch that I oh my gosh, I cannot explain it. Wee. Okay, but no. No, come on. No, please. Don't let me die. No. No, I'm gonna die, bro. At least I got 2,677. Oh, it's not 693. Wait, what? And what are we doing here today? Oh, I have an idea. We just get my first virtuality. I don't think this is a boat, but it will say amazing if it's. Oh my gosh! Come on, come on, come on! Yes, yes, go, go, go! Come on, be faster! Oh, don't go out of the way! No, no, we're ruined. No, I said I can just go into the white team because they don't. I'm just gonna do this. What a wait. Well, I have a 4-minute one. Oop, I have a 4-minute right now. And I'm gonna turn off the video. Swoop. Okay. Come on, bro. Oh my gosh. Let me just die, okay? Let me just die. What? Die, 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 die. Okay. That was for today, guys. Thank you for watching my video and like and subscribe for more.